Don't cut potatoes this way anymore. Just one small mistake in the way you cut them can make the pieces uneven, some burn, while others stay undercooked, and you lose that perfect crispy texture. But with one simple adjustment to the right cutting method, you'll get evenly shaped potato pieces that cook perfectly crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside, and so much better with just one easy step. First, prepare 3 potatoes, peel them, and wash them well. Potatoes not only provide energy, but they're also rich in vitamin C and B6. After peeling, soak them right away in lightly salted water to prevent browning and help remove excess starch. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. A small tip: pat each potato completely dry with a paper towel before cutting. This makes slicing more precise and much safer. Next, trim all 4 sides of each potato to form a neat rectangular block. You can save the trimmed edges for another recipe, while the squared-off center makes dicing much easier and cleaner. From this block, cut slices about 1 to 1.5 centimeters thick. Keep the knife straight and cut firmly so each slice is even. Then stack the slices and cut them into long batons. Finally, turn the batons sideways and cut across once more to create small, evenly sized cubes. This is your diced potatoes. Try to keep the pieces as uniform as possible because that helps them cook at the same time, prevents some from staying hard while others overcook, and gives you a more professional looking result, whether frying or cooking. Next, place a pot on the stove, add water, and bring it to a boil. Once the water is boiling rapidly, add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then drop in all the diced potatoes. And parboil them for about 2 minutes. Since the potatoes are cut small, a quick boil is all you need, just enough to lightly cook the outside without making them fall apart. When the surface looks slightly translucent and firm, remove them and transfer them straight into cold water to stop the cooking process. Let them soak for 2 to 3 minutes to help the potatoes stay firm and not turn mushy. Then drain them well or pat them completely dry with paper towels. This step helps dry the surface, which makes the potatoes crispier when fried and also reduces oil splatter. Once the potatoes are fully dry, transfer them to a large bowl and add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Gently toss until each piece is evenly coated. This is what helps create that crispy outer crust. At this stage, pour the potatoes into a basket plastic and give them a gentle shake to remove any excess coating. This helps prevent loose starch from falling into the oil, so you won't end up with burnt black residue at the bottom of the pan when frying. Next, place a pan on the stove, add oil, and heat it over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, fry the potatoes for the first time for about 5 to 6 minutes. At this stage, you're just cooking them until the outside firms up slightly. You don't need deep golden color yet. Remove the potatoes, let the excess oil drain, and rest them for about 30 minutes. Then heat the oil a little hotter and fry them a second time for another 2 to 3 minutes. This is when they turn beautifully golden and develop that irresistibly crispy exterior. Finally, remove the potatoes and place them on paper towels to absorb any excess oil. While they're still hot, transfer them to a large glass bowl and sprinkle in 1 spoonful of cheese powder along with freshly chopped cilantro. Gently toss everything together so the seasoning coats every piece evenly, giving each bite a rich, savory flavor. And that's it, your diced potatoes are done. Golden and crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy inside, rich, fragrant, and incredibly tempting. Just looking at them is mouth-watering, and one bite gives you that perfect contrast of crunch and softness, absolutely irresistible. And just like that, with only a few simple steps, you've got crispy diced potatoes with a golden crunch on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside, and packed with rich, delicious flavor, all made right at home. Have you ever cut potatoes this way? Or do you have an even better tip to share? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it so more people can discover this simple but incredibly effective trick. See you in the next video.